I'm just unpacking the super gas pump that I won from BRS Battery in their super gas pump giveaway. Comes with multiple choices for power. You've got the plug-in to your wall outlet. You've got clip-on to a battery or the battery of your vehicle that you're fueling up. Several different adapters to fit your gas cans and the pump itself. It also has the option of using 4 AA batteries that you put in the back. That's the option I'm going to go with today. This hose here goes into your fuel can, threads onto the neck of the fuel can, and your feed hose that goes to your tank that clips on and has an auto shut off. Simple one-button operation. I will be using the small adapter today to go onto my diesel can. Threads right onto the neck. And you merely take the pump section, insert into the tank, and thread the pump on. Now you're ready to roll. Now with this fuel tank, it's almost impossible to get your jerry can up there to fill it. But with the super gas pump, merely take this, clip it onto the neck of your tank, press the on button, and there you have it. It's as simple as that. The super gas pump I won from BRS Batteries.